horsepower motor.
Well, hi guys. This is a Case 220, and see, it says Case 220, and well, this is the chain right there and there, and this is a muffler. Don't touch it when you get done riding, because it'll be very hot. And this is to put the mower decks. See, got the mower deck at my Nana and Papa Don's house. They're here. They brought this tractor so I can ride. And there's the keyhole right there, and it's a rusty key. And there's you could drive. You don't gonna care about that, okay? And this is how you put it in forward and reverse. See, this is how you do it, forward, reverse. That's the lever, and see? And that's how you work it. Alright. I don't really know what this is. And I don't know what that is. So, this is the gas tank. And it's hard to open. Even I can't open it. Mama couldn't even open it. And there's the oil tank, it's leaking. Well, everybody, right? See the battery right there? That's the motor. See that battery right there? This muffler hangs out like bull crap, but here is what should I? That again? Oh. You should also see that red wire right there. Let me read this to you, okay? This says, do not remove cover. And this black one don't got a cover. So, just letting you know that. And well, this is the chain right here that I just said at the beginning. See it? Helps it drive, and this is the emergency brake. Don't go down that fast. And this is how you put it in low and high gear. Put it like that, and like this. See? It's cool. And here's where you put your feet. Here's one of the tires. 40 years old. And well, let's see, we got this is the trailer we brought it in. And that's the car we drove. But right there, that's that cool tractor. Letting you know that it's ready to ride like Donkey Kong. Here's the steering wheel.
Careful out there, it's a jungle.
See? This is the steering wheel.